While tenants securely leave their belongings with you, they're always on the go, and you need an efficient way to reach them, where they are, and on the device they use to communicate, their mobile phone. Reach customers easily and foster relationships by following up with prospects, completing reservations, and move-out or transfer requests. You can even include links for prompt payment. Emails just can't compete with the power of SMS solutions. Why? Because texts have vastly higher open rates than emails, 98% versus 18%. And 70% of texts are read within the first 5 minutes. That's critical in our fast-paced digital world, where consumers of all ages expect immediate personalized responses as part of every customer experience. With SMS, you can reach your customers no matter where or when they have an issue. Text blasts get 6 times more engagement than emails, which is key to approaching new leads and encouraging past and current customers for referrals. Phone calls don't work any better, as customers and prospects are likely to ignore numbers they don't recognize. Easy texting is the #1 trusted choice of over 160,000 customers with more than 5 billion messages successfully sent. In less than 5 minutes, start messaging one person or thousands, all with the instantaneous click of a button. Providing custom plans and solutions, Easy Texting's scalable communications platform is valued by small and large businesses alike. Experience the power of SMS and take your communication strategy to the next level with Easy Texting. Text TRY to 858585 to see how it works.